All right, so we're currently in a long position on gold. This is a different strategy that I'm trading today, a breakout strategy that I learned from Doyle. Everyone knows Doyle. So yeah, I've been trading this strategy for a minute. Might make a video on it, might not. It's been working for me, and it is quite a decent strategy once you get the back testing and results on it. But we're in this trade right now. I'm also going to add to my position as well. Scale into my trade. I'm going to scale in at the 0.5 and also the 1 risk to reward. As you can see, that's what them green lines are. It's going to add a second and third position onto that as well. And then I'll move my stop losses up to control the risk of that. So we're going to see how this trade does and how it plays out. The market has been quite decent. We caught a trade yesterday, which live trading video will be up on that. And then we're going to see if this trade hits our targets as well. 2 winning days, you know, can't really complain about that. Yesterday we did minimize our risk as well. Today we're going to try with our normal risk, or especially adding to the position. We're going to have a lot more risk than yesterday. I want to leave it at least like $200, something like that. We're risking about $100 or so once we add to the positions, and then we're gonna see how we do. Oh no, we're not even. We're risking like we're risking less than 100 actually. Yeah, we're risking less than $100 on this. Altogether, like adding to the position and things like that, we're risking less than 100. But yeah, we're gonna see how we do on this trade. So the first 2 candles are very important when it comes to these kind of trades, especially with scalping, because you don't want there to be a fake out or it push up in your direction initially with this candle right here, but then it could fake out and then come back down and stop you out. So that's what we don't want to see. We want to see like a clean push up, hopefully. If it reaches the 0.5, which it looks like it's about to tap just like that, we're going to move our stop loss up to halfway like that. And then if it reaches our 1, we're going to move our stop loss to the break even of our original entry. So then that's 2 positions exposed to risk. There'll always be 2 positions exposed to risk. For example, the position that we got out at a 0.5 and our original position are both exposed to risk, but because we moved our stop loss up, it's reduced risk. Same with if it reaches the 1 risk reward, which this is very good momentum, so it does look like it's going to do that. So when or if it reaches the 1, we're going to move our stop loss up again, and we're going to go to the break-even areas. And that's basically how I scale into my trades. I don't scale into every single trade either, just super A+ setups where market structure looks super amazing and everything is in confluence, and I just want to get a little bit more from the trade. Or if I enter the trade with reduced risk, like this one, I did kind of enter with reduced risk. So trades like that, I'll scale into them and, you know, see how it does. It's a very good strategy. I learned it off Tom Hugard. If you guys have ever read Best Losers Win by Tom Hugard, you'd understand his philosophy on adding to your position. It's very vital to his strategy, and it makes a lot of sense when you back test it or you just, you know, you work on it and you really kind of think about adding to your position. This candle looks like it's going to reach the 1-to-1 because there is a lot of momentum with this one. There's loads and loads of momentum. Okay, is it gonna, yep, it's tapped. So now we're gonna move our second stop loss up to break even of the original entry. I'm also doing my stuff on TradingView because it's just way simpler. It's way easier to calculate lot size and things like that, and it's just drag. Maybe I'll start doing my live TradingView videos on TradingView itself, because I think more people will recognize that anyway, because pretty much everyone uses TradingView. All traders use TradingView pretty much. We're still floating around our 1-to-1 areas. We're pushing up quite a bit now. We're about $100, so we've got about 100 more to go before we'll think about closing. Okay, up about 110, 113. This is really good momentum as well. the market's been really nice recently. I don't know what it is, but they're kind of fixed up from previous month's price action where they wasn't really acting the best. Now it's acting quite good. We did just take out these highs, so, and this is the highest point of the day, so it might start coming down from this area, but we're just gonna continue with the trade. We're gonna reach our 1 to 2 targets. I don't want anything less than a 1 to 2, especially because I added to my positions as well. I'm not taking anything less than the 200 target, which is our 1 to 2. Probably hold for a little bit past 1 to 2. Some decent pushes up about 150, 160. We rejected a little bit, but hopefully this candle does it for us, or the next candle. But it's literally like right there-ish, I think, pretty much. So we're quite close. We basically just reached there. We just need a little nice push up now. That's literally it. That's all we need. All we need is a nice push up. Come on, gold. Give it to me, man. Pause. Okay. Gonna get ready to close. Gonna get past 200. We're at $200 now. We're past our 1 to 2. I wanna hold for a little bit longer. Let's see. Try ride this momentum. 215, 218. Oh yeah. We're past the 1 to 2. What can we get to? Maybe try close at like 230. An extra $30. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. But yeah, that's the video. Another win caught on gold. Nice 1 to 2. It literally went straight to our target, so we can't complain about this whatsoever. You see my Instagram on screen. You probably watched another video. If you haven't, I've got videos about creating a trading plan, creating a strategy plan, my Notion template that I use for backtesting and things like that. You might find really helpful. I'm gonna put it on the screen now. If you wanna watch any content or any other live trading videos, then subscribe, comment your opinions. What did you think about this trade? Was it a good trade? Was it a bad trade? And yeah, follow my Instagram, man.